So we've come to Glenmore Forest and we're going to do a circular route. Don't suppose it's a mountain. It's I think it's 2,500 feet, but yeah, it's 810 metres, I know that. I can't do the conversion. Anyway, yeah, so it's a bit of a circular route, not too far. It's a beautiful day, really nice day. Hardly a cloud in the sky, so, and it's forecast to stay that way. But because we're going up quite high, we've got, you know, extra things just in case things take a turn for the worse, which they shouldn't. So yeah, looking forward to this. First things first though, let's go and get coffee. Now I know I'm in Scotland. First midge attack. So things like this never cease to amaze me. We're still on quite a well-used track, you can probably see behind me. But I don't know, 300 metres back that way there's like a reservoir. I took some photos of it. Actually it's more like a lake, I suppose, but it's really nice. But as a result, it's like lots of people go there. And from Glenmore Lodge up to that lake, it was really busy. More busy than I thought going out there. But you know, just a few hundred metres away, you go slightly off the beaten track, where things get a bit more wild, if that's the right word to use. And people just don't bother coming up. And yeah, it's just nice and peaceful. The views just get bigger and better. Anyway, yeah, I can't fathom it out. Just that little bit further off just that little bit further up, and a different world. I don't know what I was expecting, but it turns out if you boil carbonated water and put it in green tea, it tastes exactly the same. Well, we've made it to the top. I was going to stand on top of that cairn, but you probably can't see it. There's a load of flies buzzing around the top, and it smells like something's dead in there, so I'm not going to stand on top of that. But so we'll have to make do with this. Pretty nice apart from Louis spoiling the piece. Yeah, so we're really dropping down now. I love these random trees that just grow against all the odds. So there's the peak where we came off. Heather looks wonderful. Hope the camera does that justice. Yeah, these trees, I remember reading something actually about apparently a lot of the highlands used to be covered in these trees. Scots pines and the like. Huge swathes of the highlands. And I think I remember reading like wolves used to roam, and obviously deers are predators of the wolves are predators of deers, and lords and the like used to want to hunt deers, so they killed the wolves. That put the ecosystem out of balance. Deers ate loads of trees or saplings, farming and things like that as well, cleared lots of the trees in the highlands. And I know there's programs around to try and bring lots of trees back. But yeah, I mean, it really is a magical place. Let me do a complete 360. There we have it. I love these ant hills. So I can zoom in and get these wood ants. Apparently if you put your hand over them, sometimes they sort of reach up and spray out some sort of nasty smell. And if you put your hand to your face you can smell it, so I'm going to give that a go. I've tried it a few times actually in Burnham Beaches, but let's see if the ants in the cairngorms are any more responsive than the Burnham Beaches ones, because I've certainly not experienced it there, so let's give it a go. Well, they're going up. Oh, one just bit me. Right, up we go, and let's have a smell. Oh yeah, yeah, first time for everything. I can't record the smell obviously, but yeah, that's yeah, they spray something in my hand. That's amazing. And it's only a small anthill actually. They get much bigger than that. Okay, that's good. That is amazing. This makes me laugh. My family, nowhere to be seen or heard. I'll tell you exactly why that is. They've gone ahead because we're near a coffee shop. Fantastic. Well, that was awesome. That was, yeah, cracking. Absolutely cracking. Highlights for me, we stopped for lunch sort of pretty much near the top of whatever that mountain is called, so I'm not going to try and pronounce it. That was a really nice view, and also the ant nest. That was first time I experienced that, where there's a name for the poison they spray in your hand, but yeah, it's not fatal obviously. But yeah, that was good as well. And we just saw a red squirrel, which I just couldn't get the camera out in time, so that was really good. And the other bonus is the coffee shop is closed. Much to the frustration of certain family members, but we're going to stop in Aviemore and get coffee there instead. So yeah, really great day, really great walk, fantastic.